Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Got home from work and there's a package in the mail. Amazon Prime says gift inside. No idea what we got going on here. Oh, somebody's a comedian. Let's get it open. That's funny. Oh boy. Somebody is a comedian. What does this say? Hi Troy, for Michelle. Not sure what you ended up having to do to get that possum out. So the stuffed animal is to help keep her from being scared of possums. That's funny. There's a possum for Michelle. I recognized it immediately from the tail and the white face. I knew what that was going to be. That's funny. Well, whoever sent that, thank you. We'll make sure that she's not scared of possums. She gets used to nature. She gets to see everything. That's the advantage of being in the country. Well, thank you. Well, guys, that was cleared off earlier. Actually, I wish I'd have grabbed the camera before. It's melting now. This was level with this. This had come up as high as this, but it's melting. I should have grabbed the camera right away. But that's a good 6 inches of snow. New, fresh snow on the roof of that greenhouse, because we had some clear days without snow, and that was cleaned off entirely. Well, you can see the mound is higher from the last time I showed you. And just the last night, we got a good 6 inches of snow on the roof of that greenhouse. Look at that. Impressive. Quite impressive. I should have grabbed a camera. It was like, wow. But it's starting to melt now. Oh, I'm exhausted. I got my pathways all done up. There's another critter has found its way under the trailer. Ripped open. I blocked this section and it ripped open another section. And so there's something under there again. Annoying. I shoveled out. Up under the tree wasn't bad, but I shoveled out here. You can see where I had cut along the walls here, and it was sort of deep. Funny enough, the road didn't get it, but here drifted in. You can see along here where it sloped in, and that's what I had here. Anyway, did all that. I cleared off the car for work tomorrow, so I can drive right out, hopefully, if it doesn't snow again. I got my little pathways everywhere through the snow. Some of us was hard frozen, so I couldn't get to it. Now up here is shallow, no big deal, nothing at all. But out here, it starts getting deep. All the way out. I gotta get stuff out of my electronics lab, and this is deep. I've got tunnels in the front yard. So I've been shoveling and shoveling and shoveling. Instead of getting warmth like we were supposed to, it snowed all day. So there's that.